I'm Hugh from Snore Attack, and I want to show you some of the great products that we have that will help you with your sleep. First up, we've got the Snore Attack Shield. So this shield is designed to train your tongue to sit in the roof of your mouth. So it just sits over your teeth and behind your lips. When you wear it and when you swallow, it actually creates a little vacuum in your mouth, and that lifts the base of your tongue up high to the roof of your mouth. And that means it's not rolling back into your throat and making that snoring noise that's so annoying at night. Our new magnetic nasal expanders are a game changer. We combine the secure hold of a full nasal strip and a magnetic clip that sits on top of your nose. The result is a comfortable and secure way to open up your nasal airway at night. The kit also comes with mouth tape to encourage you to breathe through your nose and to avoid mouth breathing. We also provide a set of cleaning tablets and a bath so that you can keep your Snore Attack Shield nice and clean and fresh.